Okay, question 10. Develop a multiple linear regression model to predict quarterly sales using gender, annual income, and training hours as independent variables. Set a dummy variable for gender and code male equals 1 and female equals 0. Include the regression output on the sheet. Set output range to cell 30 C34. Okay, so we need to first, so there's four different variables. This one's by itself. So gender, annual income, and training hours need to be put together on the data. So we need to go to the data and the gender, annual income, and training hours. So I would say the easiest thing would be to select the gender column, cut it, and then in this column we need to not cut it, we have to copy it, and then ins insert copied cells. Yeah, I kind of messed it up. Let me go back. So yeah, so you need to copy this. Hold on. You need to copy this column, and then you need to cut it. I mean, not. You need to paste it on the wrong thing. You need to select the whole column, cut it, and then insert cut cells. Okay, so now the the gender, annual income, and the training hours are all together. So now we can go ahead and get our data analysis. So we need to go to data analysis. We need to click regression. And for the Y range, we already had it. It's quarterly sales. Pretty sure it's quarterly sales. And then the X range is the X range will be annual income to training hours. And we need to control shift down. And we do have the labels, so we need to have the labels check marked. So we click OK now. Let me okay. This wasn't. Oh, the X range, I forgot to do this. We need to insert a column because the male and female is not numerical, so we need to actually add that. So I would say we need to insert a column, and then we need to cut this and then bring it. We don't need to cut this. We need to copy this column, and then we need to cut it. I don't know why this is not. This needs to get cut. cut, and this needs to be brought over here. Okay, so now we need to put gender here again, and then we need to just I think it's 1 for male, so we need to put 1 for male. We'll go through this. I'm gonna pause it and just do it right now. Okay, so I inserted the ones and zeros for the females and males and females. So now we can do the regression correctly. So we have to go to data again, go to data analysis, regression, and then the input range is the quarterly sales, and then the X range is the annual income to the gender. We'll control shit down. We use the labels, so the labels is on. Let's click OK. Oh, I forgot to change it to Y range, so I need to do it over. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be fine now. So Y range is correct. E to F, I don't know why it's. What's this? Okay, I'm going to try it again with the data analysis. I don't know what's wrong with this. Regression. The Y range is this, and the X range is correct. Okay, so we got it. So now we need to copy this and bring it to question 10. And we can just put it to the side of it. Okay. So this gives us the intercept. Plug this in. And the estimated regression coefficient for gender. This. And for annual income, this coefficient income. Results. And then for the training hours, it would be this one. Last coefficient, training hours coefficient. So we have those. And now E proportion of variability is R squared. And the F statistic right here